Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to delete apps on any Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device. Now guys, it may seem easy to say, well, I just want to delete applications. But you would be amazed at how many comments that we receive on our website, in the YouTube comments, of people not knowing how to delete applications and free up storage on their devices. So I figured I would make this quick video to help show you guys how to delete applications. So in this example, I'm using a Firestick 4K Max, but this will work on any variation of the Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device. All right, guys, so what you can do to delete applications is hover over the settings icon here, scroll down and click Applications. And then once you're on Applications, click Manage Installed Applications. And here you can scroll through all the different apps that you have installed on your Firestick. So in this example, guys, I'm going to go ahead and just delete one of these apps to show you here. So MX Player Pro, which is a video player. So once you choose the app you want to delete, simply hover over it, click the OK button, and then you should see an option here for uninstall. So go ahead and click uninstall. Then click confirm, and then wait a few seconds while the application uninstalls from your device. So that is quickly how you uninstall and delete applications from your Amazon Firestick. Now, some of you may be wondering, well, how do I delete the pre-installed applications such as Freevee, Prime Video, and any of these Amazon apps, Amazon Photos, Music, App Store, that come pre-installed on all Fire TV devices? Well, unfortunately, if you click into one, like if I click into, for example, Prime Video, you'll notice there is no option to delete these applications. So what you can do is one of two things. You can clear the data and cache on these applications. That'll help free up space. Or if I hold down the home button on my remote and I click apps, and let's use one of the pre-installed apps here. Let's use the news channel app here. So if I hover over one of the Amazon applications and I click the options button with the three lines on my remote, you'll notice here there is no option to uninstall. Whereas let's say I hover over Netflix, for example, you'll see there's an option to uninstall. So what you can do, I guess, which is kind of a quick fix, is hover over the Amazon app you want to remove, click the options button, and then click hide from apps. So that way, let's go back to the home screen. You'll notice the news app is no longer here. So if I hover over home and I scroll down and I go to recently used apps, you'll see news is towards the end here. But news should not be anywhere else on my device once you hit hide from apps. So guys, yes, it's unfortunate that we can't delete these Amazon applications that are preloaded on our devices, but that is just a quick fix if you don't want to see it on your shortcut menu here. So again, guys, this is Bodie. I appreciate you watching this quick video on how to delete apps on any Amazon Firestick. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I look forward to releasing more content like this in the near future.